It's the language class week number 22. Okay, and you know that we are the different languages and we practice this lemma every day. Today is Monday, August 31st, okay, 2020, and the topic is Unit 7, verbs. Okay, let's start. First, when we identify what are the part of a sentence. In this case, the sentence parts are the subject and the predicate. The subject, okay, this one is the naming part of a sentence and is the subject. It tells who or what the sentence is about. And the predicate is the telling part. That's mean tells what happened with the subject. In this case, we have an example. The rabbit ate the carrot. The rabbit is the subject because this one is the naming part. That's mean the person that developed the action. And ate the carrot is the predicate. That's mean the action that is developing by a person. Yes? Okay, let's continue. We have the subject and the predicate. Okay, the subject, who or what the sentence is about. In this case, we have the alligator eats cookies and milk. In this case, the subject is in red. The alligator. That's meaning this sentence we talk about a specific animal that in this case is the alligator. Then we have the predicate, okay, that is what the subject is or what the subject has or what the subject does. In this case, the action that the alligator developed is eats cookies and milk. That's me. This one is the predicate, the action that the alligator develops. And the complete sentence says the alligator eats cookies and milk. Okay, let's continue. When we talk about who or what, okay, we talk about who, about a person. Could be the mother, a doctor, a friend, a nurse, a teacher. And when we talk about what, okay, we talk about thing or places. That's mean thing. Book, cup, okay, a hat, an apple, a car, a grass, house, or pet. And also places, okay, could be a yard, the home, the school, okay, the city, and a specific park, or maybe the zoo. That's mean when you talk about who, okay, you talk about persons, human beings. But when you talk about things or places, the question is what. Okay, let's start with the first exercise. In this case, we study the subject part and we decide if the subject tells who or what. Okay, that's mean we were in the space that we have here, who or what. Remember, who is for a person and what is for things or places. Okay, we have the word or the subject involved. Yeah, the rickety old fence needs to be manned. In this case, the rickety old fence. Okay, you know the fence we talk about a specific object that in Spanish is cerca. Okay, so we talk about what. Okay, what needs to be manned? Okay, the rickety old fence. Number 2, a kind man helped a crying lot. Okay, in this case we talk about man. That's mean we talk about a person is who. Okay, who helped the crying tot? Okay, a kind man. Number 3, Lauren often eats egg for breakfast. In this case we talk about a specific person. We talk about who. Who often eats egg for breakfast? That's mean Lauren. Number 4, I swam 10 laps in the pool. Okay, who or what? In this case is who. Okay, who swam 10 laps in the pool? The answer is I. Okay, then we have the Ringling Brothers, Barnum and Bailey Circus is in Sarasota now. In this case, we talk about a specific thing, that is a circus. So this one is what? What is in Sarasota now? Okay, the circus. Number 6, the air was wet with humidity. We talk about a thing. In this case, the correct question is what? Okay, what was wet with humidity? The air, yes? Okay. Now we continue with the exercise B. We write a subject part for each of the following sentences. Okay, we have the predicate, but we need to complete, okay, with the subject part. So let's see. Number 1, went grocery shopping. In this case, I choose this one. My sister went grocery shopping. Yeah, you can write your own ideas. Could be your mom, your father, okay, your brother, my best friend, okay. You can write your own ideas. Number 2, needs a paint job. Okay, the architect needs a paint job. Or maybe an engineer needs a paint job. Number 3, tasted good to the hungry boy. Could be the hamburger tasted good to the hungry boy. The hot dog, the pizza, okay, the ice cream. It's possible to write different ideas. Yes? Okay, let's continue. Number 4, was falling down. In this case, the boy was falling down. Yes? Number 5 is a good place to spend a vacation. I write a proper name. In this case, the Camera is a good place to spend a vacation. Yeah, you can write a beach, you can write a park, the cinema, it's possible. Yeah, we have a lot of possibilities here. Okay, let's continue. This one is the think C. In this case, we draw a vertical line between the subject part and the predicate part. That means we identify what is the subject and what is the predicate, and we separate with a vertical line. Okay, raindrops fall into the water at the beginning of the water cycle. In this case, raindrops is the subject and fall into is the predicate. Number 2, the hot sun shines on the water. In this case, the subject is the hot sun, okay, and the predicate shines on the water. Number 3, the heated water changes into a vapor or gas. In this case, okay, that's me, the heated water. Okay, this one is the subject. Let's continue. Number 4, the vapor in the skies becomes a cloud. Okay, that's mean the vapor in the skies is the subject and becomes a cloud is the predicate. Cool air forms raindrops again from the clouds. In this case, the subject is cool air. Forms raindrops again from the clouds is the predicate. Okay, let's continue. Now, exercise D. This one is in the next page, page 104. We draw a line between the subject part and the predicate. And also we put S, okay, over the subject and the letter P over the predicate. Our bones must grow straight for good health. Our bones is the subject. Must grow straight for good health is the predicate. Number 2, sunshine and milk. This is the subject. Build strong bonds. This is the predicate. Excellent. Number 3, good posture helps bones and muscles. In this case, okay, the subject is good posture. So you write a letter S over the subject. And helps bones and muscles is the predicate. Number 4, a doctor should care for broken bones right away. In this case, a doctor is the subject, should care for broken bones right away is the predicate. Number 5, our Creator made each of our bodies special. In this case, our Creator is the subject, so we write a letter capital S over the subject. Made each of our bodies special. This is the predicate, so we write a letter P over the predicate. Okay, let's continue. In this case, in this exercise, that is the last exercise on page 104, we write a predicate part for each of the following sentences. That's mean we have the subject, so we complete with the predicate. Little Red Riding Hood. In this case, we talk about, in Spanish, Caperucita Roja. Yes, Little Red Riding Hood went to Grandma's house. It's a possibility, yeah? You can write different answers. Number 2, a fussy caterpillar is on the leaf. Yeah, okay. Number 3, my brother Paul and I want to eat an ice cream. Yeah, okay. Remember, you can write different answers. Yes. Okay, number 4, a picture of my grandparents is on the wall of our living room. Yes, this one is an idea. The class was at 1:30 p.m. This one is a possibility. Remember, in this part, you can write different ideas, not only the ideas that the teacher gave to you. Yeah. Okay. You can write your proper ideas. Okay. Let's continue. This one is the exercise F, in we match each subject part with the predicate. Yeah, we have two columns. First one we have the subject and then we have the predicate. And we write a letter in the blanks that we have next to the subject. Number one, the boat on the lake. In this case, the correct option is the letter C. The boat on the lake sailed swiftly over the water. We complete the sentence, yeah? Number two, my dad got a new grill for Father's Day. Yeah, this one is a complete sentence. That's mean letter F. Number three, the Lord, in this case, the correct option is the option A, is my shepherd. You know that this one is a verse, a Bible verse. Number four, the red and white candy cane, in this case, is the letter L, hung on the Christmas tree. Yes? Okay, bastón navideño. Number five, Victoria's mother, in this case, made Victoria a new dress. Yeah, this one is the correct answer, the option B. Number six, the teacher, okay, erased the chalkboard. The teacher erased the chalkboard. Yes. Number seven, the little boy on roller skates, in this case, okay. What is the correct option? Letter J, fell down on the sidewalk. Yes. Number eight, the owl, in this case is the option D, okay, hooted in the woods. Number nine, my dog Carly, this one is the proper name of the dog, my dog Carly, okay, buried his bone in the field. Number 10, no man, in this case is the option E, can serve two masters. Number 11, Peter, James, and John, in this case is the option H, were disciples of Jesus. And number 12, my favorite story, okay, is about a horse. Okay, that's me. Let's review. Number 1 is option C. Number 2, option F. Number 3, option A. Number 4, the option L. Number 5, the option B. Number 6, the option I. Number 7, option J. Number 8, option D. Number 9, the option G. Number 10, the option E. Number 11, the option H. And the last one, number 12, is the option K. Excellent. Okay, let's continue. Now, we draw a vertical line between the subject and the predicate. This is on page 105. Okay, the horses run swiftly. Okay, the horses is the subject and run swiftly is the predicate. Number 2, my sister is very tiny and very pretty. Okay, my sister is the subject and then we have the predicate. Number 3, the party is the subject. Was a big success. This one is the predicate. Okay, number 4, the Lone Ranger's Silver was a beautiful horse. In this case, the subject is the Lone Ranger's Silver was a beautiful horse. Number 5, water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. In this case, water is the subject and freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit is the predicate. Number 6, the wind whistled around the house and through the trees. The subject is the wind. Number 7, 1 hour contains 60 minutes. In this case, the subject is 1 hour and the predicate contains 60 minutes. Let's continue. Number 8, the beautiful red leaves are falling from the maple tree. In this case, the subject is the beautiful red leaves. Number 9, red, juicy strawberries tastes delicious for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. In this case, red, juicy strawberries is the subject. The night was peaceful and still. In this case, the night is the subject. The ocean liner sailed to Morocco at dawn. In this case, the ocean liner is the subject, and then we have the predicate. Number 12. The Rockies are extremely high mountains. In this case, the Rockies is the subject. Number 13. Football is the favorite sport of many boys. In this case, football is the subject. 14. I was home all last night. In this case, the subject is the pronoun I. Number 15. Only one tree was blown down by the hurricane. In this case, only one tree. This one is the subject. Okay, so let's see. On page 105, you have only information. We don't have an activity here or an exercise to develop. This one is part of a speech, and you know that this one is the job a word that's in a sentence. Okay, we have the verb that expresses an action or maybe a state of being. For example, eat, run, spit, scream. We have nouns. These one are names of a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, book, rocket, science, call, etc. Then we have the pronoun. This one is used in place of one or more nouns or maybe pronouns. For example, he, she, it, they, himself, etc. Then we have the adjectives. These one are words that modifies a noun or a pronoun and answer this question: which, what kind of, or how many. Okay, you have big, sweet, and beautiful. Then we have the adverbs that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb and answer this question: when, where, how much, and why. For example, we have wildly, brighty, beautifully. Then we have the prepositions. Shows the relationship of a noun or a pronoun to some other word in a sentence. For example, of, beside, over, under, and for. Okay, we have the conjunction. This conjoin words or group of words, phrases, or clauses. For example, as, and, because. Then we have the interjection that expresses emotion and has no grammatical relationship or relation to the rest of the sentence. For example, hello, ouch, oh my, wonderful, excellent. Okay, all of this one are interjection. So that means this one are the 8 part of speech. Okay, excellent participation. Okay, thank you for being in the class, and God bless your afternoon. God bless your family. See you tomorrow, because tomorrow you have our reading and also our EFL class. Thank you very much.